unboxing video. This is from Bio Seaweed, and we're gonna go ahead and open these things up right here. I recently joined the BSG squad, so I am now part of their team, and they sent me this as a gift to welcome me. This is a fall 2021 collection. So these colors right here in the picture are the fall collection for 2021. Escape the City, like a dark burgundy color, 1042 Sequoia Red, Falling Maple, Sea to Sky, Living Lush, Wildflower, Wanderlust, and Coast to Coast. So they're super cute. I can't wait to try it here. Let me see what we got here. This is Sequoia Red. So 1042 Sequoia Red is the one that I received. And wow, it's so pretty. Perfect for fall. Like a little bit darker than regular nude, but it's so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this on here for us so we can see how the color is. And then right here we have Unpolished Gel Mask Nail Remover. So it removes nail lacquer, gel product, and dip powder. Their brand has Big 5 free, cruelty free, vegan friendly, and paraben free as well. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Unpolished is a gentle, non-drip gel mask that effectively removes nail lacquer, gel product, and dip powder with less mess and less odor. Does not dry out nail beds or cuticles. Wow, so it definitely sounds a lot easier to remove the gel rather than cotton ball and foil. I know that's one way to remove it. That's how I would usually remove it. And it even removes dip powder. I don't use dip powder, so I do gel manicure, so I'll be trying this for my next gel manicure. And I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this color here for us, Sequoia Red. Okay, so here I'm gonna go ahead and put my gel light, and I'm using a Kiara Sky gel light LED. If you guys can see here, I bedazzled it a while back, so I did not buy it like that. It came solid and I bedazzled it myself. I like to get these swatches for designs and stuff, and then I also have a pretty big collection of Bio Seaweed already. So this is how I swatch my colors for my clients to see. I use one of their stickers that they've sent me, Keep Calm and Do Your Nails. And then on this side, it's my own sticker that my boyfriend made for me. So it's Flowers Now Studio, and then my Instagram, which I thought was pretty dope. And this is my collection that I have from Bio Seaweed as of right now. So I did number them, and then obviously they come with numbers. So they come with numbers and the name. The names are pretty cool to remember. Most of my clients kind of memorize the name, but since I have them numbered, we're gonna go ahead and be practicing the numbers. So these are another few that I have. This is 1042. So the last one I have close to it is 1036, which is this pretty blue. So that's my collection. And then I also have my sticker that's right here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take this out so I can go ahead and swatch it. We can see the color. I have not swatched this. I haven't used it or anything, so it'll be my first time seeing the color as well. Okay, so it's kind of like a brown red. It's a little deeper than like a nude would be, but it's not as bright as red. So if you guys can see here, Bring it closer. It's leaning a little towards like brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure it, and then we're gonna do a second coat. And for this one here, so Bio Seaweed does have two different collections. They have the 3-step color gel polish, and then one of their regular ones, which would be the Unity all-in-one, is here. So for the Unity all-in-one, you don't need a base coat or a top coat when you're applying it, either gel manicure or regular polish over, well, regular gel over acrylic. You don't need a top coat. I like to add a top coat personally, just for extra coverage. That way, if they do lose the shine a little bit or whatever, the clear coat covers that. And then for the 3-step color gel polish, you do need, it is 3 steps. So it's the base coat, the color, 2 coats, 3 coats, whatever you prefer. And then of course the top coat at the end to finish it off. And then also you could cure these in the sunlight. So I've done it with the Unity all-in-one. If you go out in the sun, and I believe it's like 2 minutes that you leave your hands out there, as long as the sun is shining on them, it'll go ahead and cure it for you. So that's pretty cool if you're ever on the go and you like to do your own nails, or if you're a nail tech and you're in a rush. It's convenient because you can go in the car, polish them, and just stick your hand out the window. I've done it before on one of our trips that I didn't get to do my nails on time. I just polished them and I stuck my hand out the window, and before I knew it, it was completely dry. No tacky layer is left after this, so you don't have to worry about wiping. It's literally ready to go once it's cured. And then their 3-step doesn't do that. So the 3-step does need to be cured. My swatches fell. The 3-step does have to be cured in the light, and if you don't add the top coat, you'll notice it has like a tacky layer before you put your top coat on. So you always have to make sure you cure it for 60 seconds and top coat once you're done. And then for the Unity, I believe it's just, I do 30 seconds. So yeah. Okay, so LED 1 minute, UV 2 minutes, and in the sun, actually, it's only 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add our second layer of Sequoia Red, and it's so pretty. They're super like creamy color, looking like creamy colors. I really like it. It has a really nice tone to it. It's perfect for my nude clients because it's just a little darker. Oh, it's so pretty. And I'm just gonna clean this off right here with my nail real quick. Because it is just a swatch, and then I'm just really swatching this for us right now. Like I said, I swatch my other ones on the books that I have. So, oh no, it flipped in there. I don't know if that happens to you guys. You put it in there and bump it. Happens all the time. Just happened right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix it up real quick. Okay, so in the back here, I found the little card for the unpolished gel mask remover. So it has the picture of regular polished gel and how it can also remove the dip powder. So if you're a nail tech and you use dip powder, or if you're a client and you use dip powder and you don't want to go through the soak off of switching colors or sets, you can also purchase this on their website and save some time and work, because I know it is harder for you guys to do your own soak offs rather than when us nail techs that we do it for you guys. So here it is. It shows step by steps how to use it. So you're gonna break the seal of whatever you're wearing, of the top coat, and then apply the unpolished just like that with the bottle over your nail. Allow soak off time. You push it off and you buff off the gel. It looks like you push it off, then you buff it off, and you repeat it until it's completely gone. So for regular nail polish, soak off time is 1 to 2 minutes. For the 3-step color gel polish, which would be this one, would be 3 to 4 minutes. You may have to repeat the process 2 to 3 times. For the dip powder system, 3 to 4 times you repeat it, and it takes 5 to 6 minutes. For sculpting gel system, 4 to 5 minutes of repeating the steps, and then it should take a total of 5 to 6 minutes. Soak off. Okay, so you leave it on for 5 to 6 minutes, sorry, and then 20 to 30 minutes to remove it completely, 15 to 24 minutes to do the whole process. For dip powder, 6 to 12 minutes to do it with the Unity all-in-one, and then regular polish, 1 to 2 minutes completion. So it's pretty easy. It's not hard at all. The steps are not complicated, so it sounds really convenient. And then now that the second coat is done here, here it is. If you guys can go ahead and see that, it does look a little darker on the camera, but it's not dark at all. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use my top coat to remove it, and I'm gonna be using Bio Seaweed non-white top coat. To top coat it. Just a thin layer of the top coat. And that would be it. Okay guys, so here it is. Here is the final look of this color. It's very pretty, very fall-like. It matches perfect with what they're advertising, and they're a very good brand. I love Bio Seaweed. I love using their colors. As you can see, their colors are pretty solid. If I wanted to only do 1 coat of this, I could have got away with it. So that's also convenient because you don't need to be adding multiple colors. There are some colors that are more transparent than others, but for the most part, they're just as solid as the one that you've seen me do right now. Okay, so that was it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. I'll be doing more videos of either me working or showing you guys different products that I buy or receive from the company. So thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below if you have any questions about using the brand in general, or if any other things that you would like me to do videos of. Just go ahead and leave them down below as well, and I'll go ahead and respond and try my best to make as much videos as I can for you guys. Thank you guys, and you guys enjoy your day.